Do you want to know how to shut down your PC in multiple ways? Number 1. Right-click on Start button. Then click Shutdown or Sign Out. Now click on Shutdown. Number 2. Press Windows key plus X key on your keyboard. Again click on Shutdown or Sign Out and click on Shutdown. Number 3. Now press Alt key plus F4 key. Now click on the down arrow in the box that appears. OK, then, select Shutdown and click on it. Next click on OK. Number 4. This is the common method used by many people to power off the PC. Click on Start button. Next click on Power icon over here and click on Shutdown. Number 5. Press Windows key plus R key. Put this in the box that appears. Again type this in command prompt. Also be careful about the spaces used here. After typing this code, press the Enter key. Number 6. Press Windows key plus X key and remove your hand on keyboard. Now press U key 2 times. 7th method and the last method. If you want to create a shortcut key to easily power off your PC as seen here, click the sign above to watch the video, or click on the link in the description. So, if you want to watch valuable videos like this, subscribe us now. Until we meet again, have a good day.